Hi guys, it's VA Volt here. I just want to say a huge thank you for 600 subscribers today. We're celebrating by eating a crepe.
Crepe.
I just want to say a huge thank you. And if you see me on the road or pumping gas, please feel free to come say hi. I had a few encounters today, and we're gonna go from here. We're gonna go to 700 our next goal. So wait for the big burnout coming soon. The car review too as well. See my AJ. We have AJ here today. So again, huge thank you for 600 subscribers today, and say one more thing, guys. Please like and subscribe. A lot more player content coming this week. We finished recording some of it today, so keep it tuned. Got some big plans for the channel here in the future as well. Like and subscribe.